Imagine this. You wake up, your day is already planned, your emails are sorted, your grocery list is updated, meetings are booked, and your flight for the next month already scheduled. And guess what? You didn't lift a finger. That's not a dream. That's AI agent at work. AI agents aren't just another buzzword. They are quietly becoming the smartest employees, assistants, and decision makers we never hired. In this video, let's break them down simply and see how they are going to transform your life and business starting from now. Alright, let's clear the basics. Think of ChatGPT as super intelligent student. You ask a question, it gives you a great answer. But if you ask to check your calendar, send an email, or book a ride, it's lost. That's because it's passive. It just replies. Whereas AI agents, they are the doers. They are goal-driven software programs that don't just respond, they act. You tell them the outcome you want and they figure out how to achieve it. Here's an example. In ChatGPT, you give a prompt like write me a blog and it's done. Whereas in AI agents, you give a prompt like grow my blog traffic. It plans the content, creates the posts, schedules them, promotes them, and measures the success. This is not a chatbot with memory. It's full-on digital worker. Now let's understand the levels of AI agents. First are the reactive agents. Think of them like reflexes. They react, no memory, no planning. Then are goal-based agents. They know the destination. They plan the steps to get there. Then are the utility-based agents. They evaluate which options are the best before acting. And then they are learning agents. They evolve. The more you interact, the smarter they get. And now in 2025, we are seeing the rise of multi-agent systems. Like a team of specialized bots working together. One handles the email, another handles the research, another handles the reporting. All coordinated within them. These are not apps, these are ecosystems like Apple. If not, maybe better than it. This is where it gets super cool. Every AI agent is powered by 4 superpowers. Think of them as the way it thinks, acts, and improves. First, it plans. You give it a goal like organize my calendar for next week, and it figures out the steps needed to make it happen, just like you would. Then, it uses tools. Just like we open apps or browse the internet, AI agents can do that too. They access the databases, uses APIs, and even control browsers. It's like giving us your software a pair of hands. It remembers not just what you said 5 seconds ago, but your past preferences, patterns, and contexts. That's how it gets more helpful over time. It takes actions. This is where the magic happens. It doesn't stop at planning, it executes. It sends emails, fill out forms, pull data, and get things done, all automatically. Think of it as combining ChatGPT, Zapper, Chrome, Notion, and email into one brain that thinks and acts. Let's say you want to order pizza. AI agent doesn't show up the nearby pizza places like Google. It actually checks your past preferences, verifies what's open, chooses the best prices and ratings, places the order, and tracks it till delivery, all on its own. Let's make this real for a second. Startups like Midjourney hit $200 million in annual revenue with just 10 employees on the team. How? Because AI agents handle most of the back-end operations. Solopreneurs are using AI agents to create content, reply to emails, manage social media, and even run an outreach, all without hiring a single assistant. In e-commerce, agents are doing everything from product research to price comparisons to handling customer chats 24/7. No coffee breaks needed. And even in customer support, AI agents are now the first line of defenses, answering FAQs, tracking orders, and even escalating issues when needed. And for job seekers, yes, even for individuals, AI agents are applying to jobs, tailoring resumes for each listing, and even scheduling interviews on your calendar. Even agencies are using agents to onboard clients, do outreach, and optimize campaigns, saving 20+ hours of week per person. Traditional automations is like an assembly line. It only works if everything is predictable. Whereas AI agents can handle messy, unpredictable tasks. Even one path fails, they replan, they are dynamic. Plus, they can learn, talk to APIs, and even collaborate with other agents. Let's be honest, AI agents aren't all about magic and perfection. Yes, they are powerful, but there are few things you have got to watch out for. First is that they hallucinate. Sometimes they confidently give you wrong answers, not ideal if you're relying on them for important stuff. Second is that they can make you lazy. The more we depend on them, the less we might remember how to do things ourselves. Privacy gets tricky as well. These agents often need to access your data, emails, calendar, and files, and they are a bit of a black box. You don't always know why they made certain decisions, and they can be risky. That's why something called human in the loop is important. Let the AI agent do the heavy lifting, but you make the final call. Think of it as an autopilot, with your hands still close to the wheel. We had websites in early 2000s, apps in the 2010s, and now in the 2020s, it's going to be AI agents. Thousands of agents doing these specific tasks: your shopping agent, your finance agent, your study agent. Some experts say we'll soon have more agents than the people in the world. In fact, Google's DeepMind says we are building towards an agent economy, where agents talk to their other agents to do the business on your behalf. Here's the exciting part. You can start using the AI agents in your life right now. You don't need to be coder or engineer. There are tools out there that make it super easy. Start with CrewAI, Make.com or N8N. They let you build powerful agents without writing a single line of code. Want to save time on emails or calendar tasks? Use Zapper plus OpenAI to automate your inbox, meeting schedules, or even cold outreach. If you are a content creator like me, build an AI agent that takes a YouTube video, turns it into shorts, writes the captions, and schedules the post, all hands-free. Or set it for research. Give AI agent a topic and let it read documents, summarize it, and organize into neat bullet points. You can even launch a browser agent that quietly runs in the background, finding leads, drafting emails, and sending them whilst you sleep. Here's my advice: start small. Pick one repetitive task in your life, that one you hate doing the most, and build AI agent that handles it. Trust me, once you do it, you will want 10 more. Here's my honest take. AI agents won't replace you, but someone using them will outperform you. In 2025 and beyond, knowing how to use, build, and manage AI agents will be as important as knowing Excel in early 2000s. So don't wait. Learn it, play it, and use it. If this video gave you clarity, hit the like button, share with your friends who still thinks AI is just about ChatGPT. And tell me in the comments what's the one task you want an AI agent to do for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.